safe buying from Aliexpress and how to do it. My experience. I've already bought more than 75 products from Aliexpress and I never had any problem. 2 times I just need to start a dispute describing that my products never came, and after a couple of days Aliexpress refunded me. It is safe buying from Aliexpress, totally safe. And why? Aliexpress guaranteed that you receive your product for a period of time between 60 to 180 days. If you don't, you just need to open dispute before your order be closed. It's easy to buy from Aliexpress. Totally. Aliexpress is similar to any other marketplace. You just need to find the best rated seller and order from him. It's very important to check the comments from other buyers to verify if the product is good and the delivery is fast. Check if other buyers from your country already ordered from this specific seller and if the rating is good. Don't be afraid of buying it. First, we need to create your account. I personally prefer to use the social login. After that, you just need to search for the product that you are looking for and find the best rated seller. The next step is adding the product to your cart and finish your order. Now you need to register your delivery information and the payment method, and it's done. That's all. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, click on the like button below and follow this channel for more content.